There's a Toyota out there with over 1 million miles on the original engine. No rebuild, no miracle. Just consistent habits most people ignore. If you think Toyota reliability is automatic, it's not. The truth is, most Toyotas die early for the same simple reasons. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 10 real habits that actually push these cars to extreme mileage, plus a few quiet driving tricks longtime owners never talk about. Let's get into it. Number 1. Change oil early, not when the car tells you. Toyota engines are known to last forever, but only if the oil stays clean. Forget what the dashboard says. The real rule is simple: every 5,000 miles or every 6 months. No excuses. Modern engines run hotter and tighter than ever, and old oil loses its ability to protect those metal parts. Short trips are even worse. They let fuel and moisture mix into the oil, slowly creating sludge that wears your engine from the inside. Clean oil is not maintenance, it's survival. Number 2. Don't believe lifetime transmission fluid. Some Toyota models claim the transmission fluid is lifetime. It's not. That fluid controls heat, pressure, and shifting. When it breaks down, damage starts quietly and gets expensive fast. But here's the mistake people make. They either never change it or they flush it aggressively. Both are wrong. The smart move is simple: drain and refill gradually over time. Keep it clean, keep it cool, and your transmission will stay invisible, which is exactly what you want. Number 3. Replace coolant before it becomes a problem. Toyota cooling systems are strong, but heat is still the enemy. Most people wait until the temperature rises or something leaks. By then, damage has already started. Coolant isn't just liquid. It's protection against corrosion, overheating, and internal wear. Over time, those chemicals break down. So instead of waiting for a problem, replace it early and check levels regularly. One overheating event can take years off your engine's life. Number 4. Brake fluid needs time-based maintenance. This one gets ignored the most. Brake fluid doesn't wear out from driving, it wears out from time. It slowly absorbs moisture from the air, lowering its boiling point. That means under pressure, your brakes can fade when you need them most. Even worse, that moisture can cause internal corrosion. The fix is simple: flush it every 2 years. It's cheap insurance for one of the most important systems in your car. Number 5. Pay attention to steering and suspension early. Toyota suspension is durable, but not invincible. Small issues don't stay small. Loose components, worn bushings, or bad alignment slowly damage everything around them. And most drivers ignore it until the car starts shaking or pulling. The smart habit: check things regularly, especially during oil changes. A smooth, quiet ride usually means everything is healthy. Noise is just delayed damage. Number 6. Replace air and cabin filters before they clog. Toyota engines need clean airflow to stay efficient. A dirty air filter makes the engine work harder and reduces performance over time. And if you drive in dust or traffic-heavy areas, it gets worse much faster. The fix is simple: check often, replace early. Same goes for the cabin filter. It keeps your airflow clean and your system running properly. It's cheap, but ignoring it leads to expensive inefficiency. Number 7. Rotate tires and protect alignment. Tires don't just wear, they affect everything. Bad alignment or uneven wear puts stress on suspension, steering, and even fuel efficiency. Most people wait until they feel vibration. By then, the damage is already spreading. The better habit: rotate tires every 5,000 to 6,000 miles and check alignment yearly. It's not about tires. It's about protecting the entire system. Number 8. Replace spark plugs before problems start. Spark plugs seem small, but they control combustion. Worn plugs cause misfires, reduce efficiency, and slowly damage internal components. Wait too long, and they can even seize or break. That turns a simple job into a costly repair. Follow your Toyota's schedule, and don't push it. Smooth combustion equals long engine life. Number 9. Watch belts, hoses, and cooling parts closely. Rubber parts don't fail slowly, they fail suddenly. A cracked hose or worn belt can instantly lead to overheating or breakdown. And most of the time, the warning signs are there: small cracks, dryness, or slight noise. But people ignore them. The smart move: inspect regularly, especially in hot climates. Because once heat takes over, damage spreads fast. Number 10. Change differential and drivetrain fluids. If your Toyota is AWD, 4WD, or used for heavy driving, this matters more than you think. These fluids protect gears under extreme stress, and over time, they collect metal particles and lose effectiveness. If you wait too long, those gears start grinding, slowly at first, then permanently. So don't wait. Change them early, especially if you tow, drive long distances, or go off-road. 500,000 miles isn't luck. It's just a series of small decisions made consistently over time. Your Toyota already has the potential. The question is, are you going to maintain it like it matters? If you found this useful, hit subscribe, because the next mistake most owners make might already be happening to your car.